Class, today we'll start this chapter 5, logo 2. We already know about logo and we know about some basic command, that is RT, LT, BK, FT. So these are some basic commands we know. These all commands in chapter 4. Now we have to read this chapter, and in this chapter you will find some more command like hide turtle, show turtle, pen up, pen down, pen erase, and repeat command. So these are some commands in this chapter 5. So let's start. So first command we have in this chapter, that is hide turtle, and the short form is this command. Short form for this command is HT. So we use this HT in command window to give the instruction to turtle, and when we give this HT, this command hides the turtle. So this command we use to give this command to turtle. This is the instruction, and what will happen when we write HT? It will hide the turtle on our graphic window, and the syntax is HT. Next command we have show turtle. We use ST to give this command, and this command will make the turtle reappear on the screen. So when we write HT, it will hide the turtle on screen, and to reappear the turtle we have to write ST. ST, that is to show turtle. The syntax is ST. And when we write this instruction in command window, we'll find turtle will reappear on our graphic window.